guys, welcome back to this weekly review. So today we'll be looking at all the major currencies to see where you can expect some price movements for the next week coming from Monday to Friday. Alright, so let's kick it off with USD CAD. So for USD CAD, we can see that price is actually structured to the upside. Alright, but currently right now we're seeing a triple bottom that's forming. So if I should place some support resistance line, alright, you can see the most recent price action. Alright, so let's see what's going on the daily chart first, then we will take a look on the lower time frame. Alright, so from here we can see that there's a bearish engulfing, so I do expect to see some push to the downside to the zone, alright, of 1.38715. Alright, so let's confirm that on the 4-hour chart. Okay, awesome. So on the 4-hour chart we could see that there is a push down, alright, but we could see for the week coming, we could see a push back to this level to retest broken structure, and then a push down to this level of support. Okay, so for USD CAD, hopefully we get a retest of broken support, looking to turn resistance. Alright, and we can look to short the market once more. Okay, now let's move on to EURUSD. So let's start off on the daily chart again. Okay, on the daily chart, let's go ahead and mark some zones. The most recent zone is this one, and this one right here. Okay, so it seems like price is in a range also similar to EURUSD. Let's jump to the 4.0 and see what's going on here. Alright, so we can see that price did reach channel level support. So what we could see a retest back to 1.07749, and from there we could potentially look for a long up to this level. Alright, keep in mind though that this area isn't an area of resistance, so we could possibly see a break up here and a retest and a continuation, or we could see price push down, retest, and continue. I think I'll do a weekly review, like a midweek review, to see what's going on. Right, so these are the three outcomes that I'm looking forward to for your USD. Okay, so let's move on to EJ. Alright, so let's go back to the daily chart. The daily chart, we could see that price is making some move downwards. Alright, so let's switch to 9 chart, see what's going on. Most recent level. Alright, I would say this is the most recent level. Let's go back to this. Okay. Alright, let's jump to 4.0. Alright, so price at support. Alright, good. Okay, so it gets to this level right here. That's broken and violated. So price is indeed pushing up to this level. The level of 107.150 there about right now. Alright. So what we could see coming to this week, we could see price make higher highs, retest, and continue upwards. Alright. Keep in mind though that if price gives us opportunity to sell right here, we could sell right at 107 back to this level right here of 106. Alright, so for right now you could definitely buy your USD CAD right off the bat. I'm pretty sure there must be an entry on the lower time frame. Yes, so if you guys catch this in time, You could buy USD JPY right now. If it gives us a retest for right here, you could look for an engulfing pattern to go long. Okay. Let's see how many pips that would be. Hopefully it gives us a retest though. Could look for a opportunity like this or 50 pips. Alright, so let's jump on to the next trade. Next one is GBPUSD. So as usual, analysis. Let's go to the daily chart. See price is in a downward movement. This is also a triple bottom. Say let's mark the most recent level. Let's go to our line chart. Let's see if it lines up. Okay. Alright, so I see most of these pairs actually in a zone. They're ranging right now. Alright. Go to the 4-hour chart. See what's going on. Okay. So on the 4-hour, we could see that price is testing this level right here, right now. This level right here. Let's see. Yes, that's the previous level of resistance. So what we could see a push down back to level of support, and if we do get a push back down to 1.22615, then we could look for long opportunities back to this level of 1.25953. Alright. Contrary, if we get a break above this level right here of 1.24, we look for a retest and a continuation up to 1.25953. Alright, so let's wait, let's see what's going to happen in the daily chart. I believe based on the structure of this, we may just get a massive breakout can go to the upside. Alright, next trade though, GBP AUD, GBP USD, next major pair. So let's go to daily chart as usual, just the line chart. Let's go ahead and mark up the most recent SNR zones. Alright, okay. Go back to this. Okay, see some fall break right here. Okay, so this is a double bottom. Okay. It's very interesting price action right here. Okay, so what we're seeing now, the price is actually approaching. Oops. Let me reset that. Price is actually approaching a level of resistance. So what we could see, like when price reaches this level right here of 0.65575, we could look for an entry reason right here, right around this area, to short the market back down to the next level of broken resistance looking to turn support. Right now, if some way somehow we do get a push above this zone, we look for a retest. Alright, we look for a retest and a continuation to the next area of resistance. Alright, so we don't know exactly what's going to happen as yet. Price isn't at the zone as yet, still ranging a bit. Okay, on this daily chart, so we can get some zone here. Okay. Alright, we could definitely see a breakdown of structure coming this week. Look like an initial pattern forming. Could possibly see price break below here, come back, retest, and also goes down. It's all about probability, guys. So we will definitely need to pay close attention to what happens when price reaches the zone of 0.65575. Okay, so the next pair is USD CHF. So as you know, we go to the daily chart and look on the most recent level of structure. See what's going on. Okay. Alright, so price is also changing right here. We could see the price is at a level, well, was at a level of resistance before, and we're seeing some rejection. So we could see a fall down to 0.95945. So let's go to the forward chart and see what's going on. Wow. Okay. I think I missed this trade. Oh, look at this. Is this a doji? No, it's not. No. You could see a even star formation right here. This is a nice sell. I'm pretty sure. Sorry you guys, I'm getting off. Okay, so for this week though, for USD CHF, there is a level of structure right here. Okay. Now we could see a rejection in this zone. What I would love to see if price comes back up to this zone, create a double top, give me entry reason to sell back down to this level of support down here. Alright, so for USD CHF though, Swiss franc, the sell is already triggered. Highly unlikely though that we will get a pullback because it's so far away. I think the closest that we can get is around the 0.97 region there. This is the previous level right here, and I'm pretty sure the price is currently testing that level. Yeah, so we could see a fall by Monday. We could see a retest here and prices consolidate here and just plummet, right? But hopefully the best practice is to select resistance. So hopefully we get a push to 0.97570. Hopefully though. Alright, so let's see how the market plays out. Last one, NZDUSD, similar structure to EURUSD. Okay. Alright, so let's switch to the chart, see what's going on. We're in this zone right here. Okay, we can see that. Let's use that one. Okay. Alright, the price is currently at resistance. Let's see what's going on the 4 hour chart. Okay. This is why support and resistance, guys, is not exact line, it's a zone. Okay. So let's see what's going on right here. If we could see a sell, we could potentially see a sell back down to this area right here. Very similar structure to EURUSD. We could see a sell down here. Contrary, if we do get a bullish close above 0.61370, then we could look for a retest and go along in the direction of the trend. Right? Remember, the trend is your friend. Your friend trend. Okay. You could definitely see a push down or up. But let's see how Monday market reacts. For me, I think I'm going to sell if I get a confirmation to sell at this level right now. The price is at a very good level, so I think I'll be watching NZDUSD, AUDUSD. Bonus though. US 30. You guys have bonus. Okay, let's do a quick markup here. Let's see what's going to go on. Let's start from the weekly chart. Weekly. The weekly close very bullish actually. With this spoon bar here is a sign of sellers. Okay, interesting. Let's go to 4 hours. And we're done. Alright. Okay. Alright, so price is currently pushing up to a level of resistance. So we did get a retest zone. So if we could definitely get one more retest, that would be phenomenal. We can look to get long into the market to this area right here. Let's see. Oh, very nice. We did. Wow. Okay. Alright. What if we do get another retest though, guys? You could definitely look to buy US 30. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any video suggestions, please comment below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a wonderful trading week. Thank you.